Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I got stuff here that I ordered from amazon.co.uk that I want us to unbox, check it out and see what is inside. Bose Soundlink Max portable speaker. Whether you are go-to DJ in your crew or music lover with the best playlist, now is your time to shine. Bose Soundlink Max speaker combine big speakers energy, grab and go convenience, power that lasts up to 20 hours so you can turn up the vibe all day and night. The party starts when you get there. This is a big sound that while the party, ultimate party starter, you can feel in your body and all around you. Vibe wherever you go. Removable handle, crafted with unique soft texture, climbing rope design. Make the portable speaker easy to pick up and carry to any location. Whether you are at birthday radar or a chill outdoor hang, all you need to do is press play and let the music do the rest. This speaker is waterproof and dustproof with IP67. There is no need to stress about mishap like drink spill, splash from pool or bad weather. My speaker can last through unexpected. This speaker got 3 internal speakers compatible with iPod, iPhone and iPad and laptop. Bluetooth compatible, 3.5 aux in, 50 watts. Google Assistant compatible. You need app, Bose Connect app. Power from USB. USB cable is included. This speaker is made with nylon material, silicone, plastic, metal and rubber. Easily control equalizer setting like bass, mid-range, treble level to perfectly customize the sound, or use the app to check the battery life and manage connected device. So basically this is what we have here. We're going to unbox this stuff, check it out and see what is inside. I hope it will help you to make informed choice.
Yes!
Beautiful. Look at that. Power cable. This is the information pack. Brilliant. It's quite heavy. I like the packaging. Nice. Beautiful. See what it looks like at the back here. So we have aux port and the power cable goes in here. So to set this up, you just need to open up the power cable. First of all, you need to charge this. This is C to C cable. You need to find the head. Ideally it's supposed to be C to USB so that you can plug the other end. But this is C to C cable is included in the packaging. You can see what it looks like. See the handle. So this end is metal. This is rubber, plastic, metal and silicone. You switch this on and off from this button. This is Bluetooth button here. The minus is for you to decrease the volume. This is pause and play. The plus is for you to increase the volume.
The battery is charging too slowly. Use a different cable. Ready to connect.
So once you switch it on, it will tell you ready to connect. So I'm using my own charger. So guys, I want to show you how to connect this with your phone using aux cable. You need to take the aux cable and connect it to the back aux. Then take this part of the cable, go to your phone, connect it to your phone, then select aux, and once you select aux, a white light will be showing you aux. Then you go to wherever you have music on your phone. We're going to check this, use Epidemic Sound. So this is the audio. One thing I notice is if you want to control this Bose speaker, the equalizer, then you need to make sure the Bluetooth is on. Currently we connected this using aux cable. So we connected it with aux cable and my phone. But if you want to control the equalizer, then you need to connect it with Bluetooth. So turn the Bluetooth on, allow Bluetooth. Now switch the Bluetooth on. So you can have it in Bluetooth at the same time auxy if you want to control the equalizer. So once it's in auxy, then you switch the Bluetooth for you to be able to control the equalizer. You can select bass reducer or bass boost, or treble reducer or treble boost. And with this Bose app, you will be able to see the battery level, source, shortcut, equalizer, and tip. So this is the app you need, Bose Connect app. This speaker is powerful, nice, portable, waterproof, and it deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.